If your dishwasher seems to be running fine, but your dishes just aren't coming clean, the first thing you want to check is your strainer in your dishwasher. This is something you should be cleaning periodically, and I'll show you how. This is my Kitchenaid dishwasher, and the procedure I show you will work for any other dishwasher manufactured by Whirlpool. To get to the filter strainer, you open up the dishwasher. I've already removed the lower rack, and there's a filter right here. It's just a slight turn to remove it, take it out, and then you take it to your sink and spray it out from the inside with your sprayer. To clean out your filter, you want to use your sink sprayer and spray from the inside to get all the debris off. Once you've cleaned off your filter, you want to inspect it for tears in the filter cloth. If you see any tears in your filter, you want to order a replacement right away. If you don't, bits of debris, food particles can get through the filter into your pump. To reinstall the strainer, you simply put it back in and give it a little twist. This procedure is nearly identical for dishwashers manufactured by GE, as I'll show you next. So in this dishwasher, you're looking for something sticking out down here in the bottom. You're going to twist it, pull it out. You can see this filter has all kinds of debris on it. You should be cleaning out your filter basket periodically on your dishwasher to make sure that you don't have other major problems. If you don't clean this out, it can cause other problems such as your circulation pump to go out, which is a much more difficult and expensive fix. If that is your problem, you can check out one of my other videos. There's a link right up here where you can go to see that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my channel to see some of my other helpful tips. If your dishwasher still isn't working properly, see some of my other videos about how to diagnose and repair other problems with your dishwasher.